the Avaya 9641GS IP phone. The 9641 is a premium LCD IP phone with multiple lines. It features a touchscreen display with Bluetooth headset compatibility. The 9641GS has a larger, higher quality, and more sensitive screen than the 9641G. Included with the 9641GS is the phone stand, handset, and handset cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Avaya 9641GS as new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, giving you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.